Okay, so here you can see that a case is generated, and the case will issue a ticket, and the service team will deal with these tickets, and it will provide some solutions, right? So we'll see all these things here. Now what will happen? So in real time, if you have any problem like that, you raise an issue, and raising an issue is also called raising a case. So if you are if you are a developer, that means a person is raising an issue, so you can see it as a case is generated. So if a case is generated, similar tickets will also be generated because a case has some ticket number, some numbers. So some tickets will be generated, and as a service team, you need to look into the case. You need to see whatever the problem and what could be the possible solutions. So now in real time, if you raise a case, if you raise a case, what will happen? The case will get created, and someone has to do actions on it. Suppose you are a customer, and in that, and you are raising a case, then somebody has to action on it. And if that person is not available to uh, take action, so the cases are of different kinds of according to the basis of priority. There are three kinds of cases. So we have already seen about these three kinds of cases. Now let's see one more time. So there is a concept called SLA. So what SLA stands for? SLA stands for service level agreement. So in service level agreement, there are some cases with some priority. So first is level one, and level one, if the case is of high priority, then its solving time may be of 2 hours. In second level, if the case is of medium priority, then its solving time will be 24 hours. And in third level, if the case is of low priority, then its solving time would be 8 hours. So this is a kind of service level agreement, right? So this agreement is between the client and the service team. This is a kind of contract. It is between service team and the client, that if your problem will not get solved within 2 hours, because your concern is of high priority, so it needs to be solved in 2 hours. And if it is not solved in 2 hours, then it will escalate. So we have seen in escalation rules. We have seen about this in escalation rules. So this will escalate if it is not get solved in the given time. So it will escalate. So similarly, all these cases will escalate if it is not solved within the given time. So this is service level agreement, And if escalation will come into picture because of service level agreement breaking, right? So this term is called breach SL, right? So this term is called breach SLA when service is when this agreement is broken. So this term is called breach SLA when SLA is breached, right? Then escalation comes into the picture. I hope you understand what I mean. So escalation rules come into the picture, and in escalation we have seen that if there are some different level of roles, according to roles they are divided. So first, if there is lead, first level is level 1, that is level is 1 is considered for leads. Here level 2 is considered for managers, and level 3 is considered for some directors. So yes, if your high priority case is escalated, then it will go to the managers, because the first time who will answer the leads, it is the leads uh, at whom the case will go first. So if the lead is not able to tackle that, if the lead fails, then it this term is known as breach SLA. If SLA is breached, then it will the case will be transferred and auto transferred. The case will be auto transferred to managers, and if they have also done uh, they have also failed to done this, then it will escalate to directors. Right. I hope you understand about SLA and breaching SLA and escalation rules, all these things. If not, I will repeat it, and if yes, I will move forward.
That's got it, sir.
Okay, so move forward. Let's move forward now. So I was there that if a case is generated and that case could not be solved, then it will go to the managers, and if there is a problem, then it will go to the directors. So similarly, a case of medium priority, its solving time is about 24 hours, and within that 24 hours, if it is not get solved, then it will move to a higher level of escalation. So I hope it's clear. Now suppose Ram has an issue with mobile, and he has raised an issue, he has raised a concern. So what will happen, that it will go to level 1, that is to the leads. And now if the leads are not able to solve this, it will be considered as breaching SLA, and it will escalate to some higher persons like managers. So without happening this escalation, the service team has to fix this issue, right? Because when there is when there is any escalation, when escalation happens, then it is considered to be a negative marking of that company, right? So no company wants to escalate, no company wants to do breach SLA, right? Therefore this issue needs to get solved. So now we will see that how we create a case, and we'll try to provide one solution also. So let's go to our application. So I'll use that same login at salesforce.com. Here we are dealing with service. So I'll go to service application. You can see service here. So this is the application we need to visit. Now you can see that there are some tabs: home, chatter, accounts, contact, cases, reports, dashboards. So because service team will deal with cases, you can you can create cases because in real time you will get cases, and now you have to create case because we are learning. So if you want to create a case, you can create a case from here by filling this form manually. You can create a case, or else there are other ways of creating cases. So the other way is that you need to go to account, and yes, is uh, Ram belongs to this company ABCD. So we'll go to this ABCD, and if we scroll down, we can see a tab cases. So we'll go to new to create a case. Now here we'll need to search for Ram, that is Ram is available. So select this person because he is the contact person of that company. Now, so what is the problem Ram is having? Ram is having some issue with the, yes, display. So Ram is having display issues. Now, if you want to give the description that I have purchased 20 nodes and in that one has got an issue, so you can give it. And here you can see the priority. So I don't think it is of high priority. It may be of medium priority, so leave it as medium priority. And yes, the case origin you need to give. So if it is from web, you can give it web. If it is from email, now I am giving it as it is. It came from mobile. So phone, and I'll say this. Yes, here you can see that assign using active assignment rules. So you can provide assignment rules. If this is not solved, then it will be escalated. So you can give assignment rules. Now you can see that case is generated of subject display issue. So suppose this case is generated. Now, now I'll go to cases, and here you can see the case. So click on that. Yes, so the case is with the service team now. Now what the service team will do, the service team will change the status first to from new to working, right? Because if you are working on this problem, on this issue, so you need to change its status from new to working and save it. So you can see that case status updated, new to working, case created, right? 1 minute ago the case is created and its status is changed to from new to working. So everything, this is the history, this is the case history. So as you can see that the case history, so status from original value that was new to new value that is working. So it has the case is created at 5:36, and now its status is changed to from new to working. in 5:36. So yes, the case is created, and now the service team is working on the case. So here you can see many other options also. Case comment, yes, you can provide case comments. You, if you want to provide any comment, you can provide case comments. So there are many options. Yes, you can, if it is required, that I need to see the picture of that mobile, image of that mobile, whether it's if suppose if there is a different query, suppose if there is a different complaint, if some piece is broken, then I need to see the photos, I need to see the image. So in that case, attachments will be required. So if yes, you can provide attachments also, you can upload files. So all the facilities, all the functionalities are available here. Now you can upload files or you can drop files. Yeah. So as we can see that the case is started and it is in working condition. Now its status is working. Now if I want to change its status to close, right? What is the what is the task of the service team? The service team will provide a solution, and then it will it will close the case, right? So if the service team is available and he is providing solution, then after providing solution, what its job is to close that case, change the status to close. Right now, you can't see any close button. So right now you can't see any close button. In that case, I need to first provide solution and then close it. So for this, I'll go to, because there is no solution tab. You can't see any solution tab here. So for this, I'll have to switch to Salesforce Classic. So yes, we have generated cases, and suppose what is the solution? The solution is yes, the display display can be changed. So this is the solution. The service team is providing this solution. So display can be changed. Now we need to do this by using Salesforce Classic. So I have switched to Salesforce Classic, and now there is an option service. So yes, we are on the service page, right? Yes, you can see solutions here. So we'll go to solutions, and there is the option called new. So go to new, and here you can yes, it's display issue solution. Here in detail you can give, it can be changed and save it. So we have provided a solution. Now the solution uh, needs to be seen by the public also. So we'll, because if it is not done public, then how can the person who has done complaint, who has complained, can see this, can access to this? So that's why we need to do it public, and here the status will be changed to reviewed. Now we'll save this. So here you can see solution history. The status changed from draft to review, and from public to and public is selected. Now we'll go to the cases. And this is the case we have. This is the solution we have provided. So what is the suggested solution? Right now, I want to close the case. Right. So here you can see that there is a button called close case. So for closing any case, you need to provide comments. Right. So for providing comments, let's go to the solution. Here you can see that display can be changed. This is the solution I'm providing. So select this. Need to select this, and after selecting, as I have selected this option, display option, right? So after selecting, I need to do this close case and status that is closed. Case reason you can give any reason. If that reason is not available in the box, you can give other, and in comments you can provide comments. So display change has been initiated. Suppose display change has been initiated. So this is the solution. Now the case is closed. So this is all we have to do in uh, Salesforce Classic. Now we'll switch this to right. So here the status is closed. You can see a new option has been added that is closed. So yes, once the case is closed, the work of service team is over. So what we have seen, about this is a whole thing about the business process, right? So the business process starts with marketing team, where the marketing team needs to run campaigns, and they are running campaign because they need to generate the leads, and they are generating leads. The leads has been transferred to sales team. The sales team uh, will convert their leads into accounts, contacts, and opportunities according to their convenience, and there they do business. And after doing business, they, if suppose they sell some product, and if there is any problem with that product, then uh, the person, the buyer, will raise some concern, raise some cases. So the rising of cases can be by any means. So we have seen all the means of generating cases. Uh, they can visit showroom, they can email to customer care, they can call customer care, they can visit to website and submit the issue. So however the means could be anyone, we need to provide the solution. As a service provider, we need to provide solutions. So uh, for the case that is generated, for the case you are getting some case numbers that can be considered as tickets. So there is something with which come into the picture, like SLA, that is service level agreement, and this agreement, if this is violated, if this agreement is violated, then it is this term is known as breach SLA. And if it is violated, then escalation rules will come into the picture, and uh, the case from according to the priority, and the time is bounded, and after that time boundation the case will be escalated to some higher roles in the hierarchy. Now now if no company wants to do this, because whatever means, they try to resolve, they try to solve that problem, because this is a kind of blacklisting. This is a kind of uh, all the companies has some data. When they have to show some data when a complaint is raised, when an issue is raised, and when they provide their solutions. So this kind of data, if they are using escalation most of the times, then this could be this could be a kind of blacklisting, and they could lost some revenues also, right? Suppose if you are visiting a company and your case is not get resolved, then what will you do? You you try to leave that product in future. You don't want to purchase that company's product in future. So in that case, companies will uh, lost some revenue. So they don't want to escalate that. uh, they want to solve whatever the problem is from their end. Now suppose there is a solution. So service team will work on that case, and it will provide solution. And if solution is okay, then they will close the case, right? So this is all about business, because the business has started from marketing and it ends with the customer satisfaction, right? S- so most important thing is that customer satisfaction is very important, because you if you are doing business, then what is the way you can generate revenue? The customer will do that for you. The customer will purchase your product and give they will provide you revenue. So they needs to be satisfied with your service. So service is very important. So this is closed, and this process is over. I hope you understand. If you have any problem, if there is any problem, you can raise your issue.
I want to ask something.
Yes, Ujjwal.
सर ऐसा कभी कभी ऐसा केस होता है जब सॉल्यूशन जो प्रोवाइड करता है सर्विस टीम उससे हम कभी
हाँ हाँ,
सेटिस्फाई नहीं होते हैं तो क्या हम उसको रिलॉन्च या रीओपन कर सकते हैं केस को?
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं। अगर आपके पास फिर से केस आता है, दैट मीन्स अगर आप
यस।
कस्टमर इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, then he raise that issue again, right? So
तो नया
again,
केस बनाना पड़ेगा फिर?
and that time this will be transferred to some higher some person higher in the hierarchy, higher in the row,
ओके सर।
right? Yes.
ओके सर। ओके, थैंक यू सर।
Okay. So any other question? So I have a message for you all. As you can see that we have started our this phase of training with the creation of an application, and with this business process we come to an end of this first phase of training.